So I'm here in Boynton Beach, Florida. Love coming down here for so many reasons, and one is the food. I mean, you find every type of food you want. But when I hear there's a joint that's doing farm to table, and I'm talking real farm to table, like bringing in whole animals, breaking them down and using them in every possible way, that's my kind of joint. This is the Butcher in the Bar.
A charcuterie board up.
It's not the same old food.
They use the best ingredients.
Scrapple biscuit up.
It's a hidden gem. It's absolutely phenomenal.
That's exactly what Eric Anderson and Mard Hadeen were going for when they opened this joint and added Chef Logan Gates to the team.
We really wanted it to be a bar with really great food.
Premium, not pretentious.
We focus heavily on locally sourced anything.
So you could break down a whole animal from beef to hog to goat to sheep to...
Use every part of it.
Amen.
Logan's an awesome butcher. He can pretty much perform magic back there.
Hot dog coming up next.
The New York dog here is freshly made. Everything complements it.
Best hot dog I ever had.
What are we getting into?
House-made hot dog. So I'm gonna take out the chuck roll right now.
We'll start to cut this into usable strips.
Yep. So let's make the seasoning for the hot dogs. Coriander, granulated onion, granulated garlic, nutmeg,
A lot of nutmeg.
white pepper, salt, and curing salt.
Okay.
Season the meat.
This is the coarse grind. Change out the dye and run it 2 more times.
Yep. I add the ice in the third grind to make sure it stays as cold as possible.
So it's always ice. It's not ice, maybe. Anybody? This thing on? Hello. Then we'll come to the food processor where we whip it.
Until it's nice and sticky.
I mean, it's pate.
So we're gonna case
Give it a little spin. Once we get it cased,
uncovered in the fridge for at least an hour,
and it'll smoke for how long?
hour and a half at 185.
What kind of wood?
Apple.
And now we're making the mustard.
We take our dry mustard seeds and we blanch them twice.
Twice.
Blanch them twice.
And what's it rinsing off?
The outer coating, which can sometimes be slightly bitter.
That's what I've been doing wrong.
Blanched mustard seeds, apple cider vinegar, water, paprika, turmeric,
There's your color.
salt, and sugar. Blend it on high. Yes.
That's delicious. You're also gonna make the sauerkraut, aren't you?
We're also gonna make the
You
sauerkraut.
overachieve.
We're going to salt and bruise the cabbage. I let this sit for as long as a day. Squeeze out all the water, add caraway seed,
Don't get carried away with that.
crushed bay leaf, black pepper into our fermenting jar.
How long is this gonna go?
10 days, but can go as long as 2 months.
And the bubbler up top there,
It creates an airlock, which makes an
anaerobic.
anaerobic environment so that you can properly ferment. Steam our hot dog. Warm up the kraut.
If you're just tuning in, short of catching the steer, this guy scratched me the hot dog. Wow. The only thing I don't like about this, chef, is nothing. I'll pretty much just sum it up with that. Just look at how juicy that hot dog is. That's outrageous. Like Goosebumps. The sauerkraut, I want to eat by the gallon. The mustard, I want to be entombed with it. Whew. Welcome to Flavor Town, baby.
2 hot dogs.
Not your average hot dog. It's smoky, it's snappy. Homemade mustard is awesome.
There's my good buddy Ed. We're in a little beach town. Is this normal?
Not even close. And I will travel all the way up here to get something like this.